Hey, what is going on YouTube? Hacker007 here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to quickly change your AI's gender on Snapchat. So this is the My AI feature that is currently available for Snapchat Plus users. However, it is being rolled out globally. So if you haven't received the feature as yet, please wait a bit. It will be available for everyone in short order. So in order to change the gender, you need to tap on the profile icon for the AI. So you could tap on the name or the profile icon in the top left. As you can see, we have the customize button here. So the customize option is in the center of the screen. You tap on customize and select avatar. Now the one in the top is the female character and the one at the bottom is the male character. Now I've already selected a female character. However, if you want to change the gender, you'd select the opposite character to what you're using. So let's select this one. And you could adjust the skin tone, the hairstyle, and everything. So hair color, hairstyle, as you can see, it is looking as to the desired specifics as to what you'd want. You could add a mustache, beard, and so on and so forth. So that is how you'd simply go ahead and change the gender of your AI character. Once you're through, you need to tap on the save. However, I won't be saving because my character is actually quite alright, so I'll just leave mine there, but that is just the basis of it. Or you could tap on the three icon or the three dots in the upper right corner, select avatar settings, and you would be greeted with the same options. You could select the female one at the top or the one at the bottom to make changes to the AI avatar. So thank you for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Hacker007 out.